I was really excited. It was my last senior year, like finishing everything up, ready to be done, ready to actually get my hands in on something. Before we're sitting in class, we read textbooks, we take tests, but you don't actually make a product or go through the whole process.
We wanted to give the students an experience that would prepare them for the future. UT Dallas is surrounded by great innovators and companies in high tech. How can we engage these companies with our students that are about to graduate? How can we help them build a product that will have real impact?
My supervisor came to me saying, hey, there's an opportunity if you want to work with some college students on a senior design project.
We were going to get to build a real-world project for a company in a real-world setting, even though we're still students.
When you first come into the class, they'll give you a whole list of projects you can choose from, as well as anyone in the class that you want to be your teammates.
The great thing was that they came in very professional. It was exciting to see the students look at the project, and even before that first meeting, they had even started doing some research and working on it.
I really had to consider their skill set. I didn't want to give them something that was going to overwhelm them, but I did want to give them something that would exercise their tools.
Most of the projects, they actually say, here's what you have to do, here's your final goal, this is what you have to accomplish, and this is how you're most likely going to do it. But we didn't exactly have that. We came in with an idea and nobody knew what our final product was going to be. That I really liked because it puts you in that real world setting.
As the project went along, they all settled into roles where they fit best. One student would go into a specific area for the project at hand, and another would basically take care of the management portion of it.
The hardest part of the project was just trying to bring everything together to get a final working app. We had all these different parts done, but in the end it all had to be one system.
We spent at least 50 hours just dedicated to doing senior design, whether it's building it, writing the written deliverables for it.
As the project progressed, it was good to see their confidence level going up, their presentation skills really increasing, and just their technical knowledge of the project. I think that was a great growth that we did see in the students.
When we finally got all of the pieces in the correct sizes, and we finally put it all together, and it all fit together just like we wanted, and then we actually put it into the testing apparatus and breathing a sigh of relief, because it just worked perfect.
The last week we got our final finished app that we had to bring out, and everyone was super excited, and that whole week all we did was play with it. So.
It's good to be finally finished and get to see your project working.
At the end of the project, I really feel like they were really prepared to go out into industry and do a real project.
The senior design program here at UTD is probably the most beneficial aspect of my academic career.
There was always another set of challenges that we had to face, always. So I really like that about this, and I mean, it gave me the experience that I don't think I could have gotten anywhere else.
The most satisfying moment has to be where you're standing at the expo and your project is running on a demo and everyone's just gawking at your project saying, wow, that's amazing.
These people who we worked with in industry, they've been doing it for years and years. They have so much knowledge to offer, both the technical and it's really invaluable. It's an amazing experience.